Welcome to Pillai Center Practice. I'm Lalita and I am a Vedic astrologer. If you've been here before, you probably have already seen some of my videos. And this video is about Rahu and Ketu. So these two lunar nodes, they are invisible planets, but they cause a lot of strife or also good things, it depends. But for most people, they are difficult nodes that when they move in the sky, they go and trigger some karmic events. So you want to be on their good side. How do we do that? How do we get on the good side of a planet? We worship them, we talk to them, we order specialized remedies. So Rahu and Ketu are going to act, in theory, in a very good way, because Rahu in Taurus does a good job, because Rahu is ever hungry for abundance or for material things, achievements, fame, success. He is obsessed, almost, like not almost, it's definitely too much, and brings confusion and pain because of that, because you cannot satiate. Rahu is just bottomless. He's the head of a snake, if you know the myth of Rahu and Ketu. And Ketu is the opposite. He has no head and is the body of the snake. So this Ketu is the opposite. He lets go, etc. So Rahu in Taurus will make you try to achieve a lot, especially in the material fields, like getting more luxury or getting more artistic, and securing all this beautiful artwork for yourself, and maybe excuse me, like also cars or beautiful home, etc. So it's not bad if it's used intelligently. And also for some people, Taurus is a bad house. So make sure you get a Vedic astrology consultation and find out how Rahu and Ketu are acting for you. Then we have Ketu in Scorpio. So Scorpio is very intense and secretive. What happens when Ketu is there? It says, okay, I already know a lot about, because Ketu is an expert, and acts like Mars. He can get very irritable and also critical. And he does, okay, I know everything about this now, but let me find out more, and so I can get more liberation, let go of more things, and be transformed. All right, so transformation is good, otherwise we don't evolve. Stagnation is bad, right? That makes sense in many spiritual traditions. Okay, so Ketu is an expert, and for that reason doesn't care so much about material life and even life on Earth most of the time. So in Scorpio particularly, but it does a good job there. So, and Rahu is always hungry, wants more and more and more, is very greedy. And in Taurus, of course, it will bring you more interest in fixing the finances, which is good, because we all need it right now after that long shutdown, etc. Okay, so Rahu is like Saturn, brings frustration and sorrow due to delay and lack of achievement, or also after getting something that you really want and then you realize you couldn't care less and that you really want something else. And so that's Rahu, is never happy. And Ketu is more irritable, fastidious, like very critical and finding problems with other people. So try not to do that, but use that inquiry for your transformation. And also maybe you want to study more about the past and introspect and find out in the past what happened, and how you can let go maybe of bad experiences, bad memories, trauma, etc. As usual with all the planets, getting a puja or getting fire rituals is the way to go. So I'm not going to give you mantras, because that's not enough for Rahu and Ketu. You need to do something. So order fire rituals, maybe from AstroVed. I recommend that, astroved.com. And so remember that Vedic astrology is all about fixing things. It's not about telling you this planet is this way, that planet is the other way, this constellation. It's really not an intellectual path. It's more about a path to evolution and how to fix problems. So definitely if you get some specialized remedies, you'll be much happier, because Rahu and Ketu, even when they're very beautifully positioned, which is almost never, they cause some stress, some problems, because they cloud the mind, they block light, right? So light is intelligence, as Dr. Pillai says, and the opposite is darkness, which is ignorance. So Rahu and Ketu need to be fixed almost for everyone. Do something, enjoy also the transit. I know there will be something live on Astroved. So the dates are September 22nd, 2020 until April 12th, 2022. Lots of twos. Okay, so there will be something live on the 23rd this month, September 23rd, live on Astroved. Get the remedies, enjoy the transit, and all the best. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.